Hi, this is Modi Wave. Today, we're going to talk about how to build self-confidence and overcome the doubts that hold us back. Many of us face moments of insecurity when doubts take over and prevent us from realizing our potential. But the good news is that confidence is not an innate trait, it's a skill that can be developed. Why is confidence important? Self-confidence is the foundation of success in life and career. When you're confident, you make decisions faster, act decisively, and aren't afraid to take responsibility. Research shows that confident people are more likely to get promotions at work, form social connections more easily, and handle challenges more successfully. Elon Musk has faced criticism many times, but his confidence in his ideas allowed him to build companies like Tesla and SpaceX despite numerous failures. I recommend reading Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It brilliantly explores the power of confidence and perseverance. How to develop self-confidence. Recall your achievements, keep a success journal, write down even small victories to remind yourself that you've already faced challenges, create a confidence jar. Write your successes on pieces of paper and place them in a jar. Read them when you're feeling uncertain or in tough moments. Work on your appearance, posture, clothing, facial expression, all of these impact your inner state. Research confirms that a straight back and open gestures help you feel more confident. Try changing your hairstyle, clothing style, or adding elements that highlight your individuality. Incorporate sports into your life. Physical activity helps strengthen both body and spirit. Running, yoga, the gym, or even a simple walk outdoors can boost your mood and increase confidence. Sports help release endorphins, the hormones of joy, which directly impact your state. Additionally, sports help refresh your mind and lead to new ideas. Develop hobbies and interests. Find activities that bring you joy and enhance your abilities. New skills make you more confident in your capabilities. Drawing, playing musical instruments, photography, or even cooking can become sources of inner confidence. Read books that motivate and inspire. Knowledge brings confidence. Read biographies of successful people, self-development, and motivational books. The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod is about how the right morning routine can boost confidence and productivity. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle discusses how mindfulness helps eliminate fears and doubts. Be mindful of your surroundings. Confidence largely depends on who you spend time with. Surround yourself with people who support you rather than criticize you. Gradually reduce the influence of toxic individuals who undermine your self-belief. Practice self-presentation every day. Imagine yourself in situations where you need to be confident, such as negotiations, public speaking, or meeting new people. The more you rehearse confident behavior, the more natural it becomes. Set small challenges and achieve them each day. Set small tasks that slightly push you out of your comfort zone. For example, greet a stranger, initiate a conversation, or express your opinion at work or among friends. Small victories accumulate and build confidence. Watch the movie The Wolf of Wall Street. It demonstrates the power of self-confidence, even in an ambiguous form. How to overcome doubts. Let's explore a few exercises. Practice visualization of success. Imagine achieving your goals and feeling confident. View doubts and fears as signals for growth rather than retreat. This indicates you're moving to a new level. Remember, walking down well-trodden paths won't lead you to new shores. Surround yourself with people who inspire and believe in you. Their support can be crucial. Use breathing techniques, such as deep diaphragmatic breathing, to reduce anxiety. Try the 1-to-4 technique. Inhale for 4 counts and exhale for 4 counts, aiming to transition from slow breathing to steady. You'll quickly notice your thoughts and stress calming down. Stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone walks their own path, and comparisons are often baseless. Break complex tasks into small steps to avoid overwhelm and fear of the unknown. With this approach, even the most ambitious goals won't seem so unattainable. Keep a doubt journal, write down anxious thoughts, analyze them, and find logical counterarguments. Over time, reread your notes, and you'll see that your past challenges weren't as serious as they seemed at the time. Practice gratitude. It helps shift focus from shortcomings to achievements. Learn to say thank you for even the smallest things. Use the "what's the worst that could happen" method. By imagining the worst-case scenario, you'll realize that your fears aren't as frightening. Develop decision-making skills. The more decisions you make, the more confident you become. Why does confidence help achieve goals? Confident people make decisions faster, aren't afraid to take action, and handle challenges more easily. They don't postpone important steps, but move towards their goals despite fears. Self-confidence helps overcome obstacles. Mistakes and failures are seen not as the end of the road, but as valuable experiences. Highly confident individuals attract opportunities, and successful partners, employers, investors, and even friends are more likely to trust those who believe in themselves. Psychologists confirm that self-confidence is linked to internal motivation. When you're confident, you don't seek approval from others, but move forward even when facing criticism. Many successful entrepreneurs, athletes, and artists reached their heights not because they had no doubts, but because they believed in themselves more than they feared failure. I'll conclude the video with a couple of practical assignments so that it doesn't pass by without impact. Create a list of your long-term goals. Break them into small steps and start with the first one today. Every evening, write down what you've done to get closer to your goal. Establish a confidence ritual. Before important tasks, remind yourself of your strengths. In conclusion, developing confidence is a journey, not a one-time solution. Small steps every day will lead to significant changes. Start today.